Okay, next lot of examples involve us using really our kind of Indus rules so we can get it into the form like we do with differentiation so you can integrate it, okay? So it's all about, and the way I think about it is trying to have a straight line. So this first one, quite often they do this, that is just the same as 1 over, they just put the dx on top, okay? Now it's not in a straight line, it's a fraction, we can't integrate that, so we need to bring it up, oops, and make it negative. Now you can see because I've not integrated it, my integral sign is still there, my dx is still there. Now I can integrate it, so increase, divide by new power, and again I'm just going to put that at the side. Again, fine if you needed to, like last time. That'll be your answer. Okay, so your integral sign is still there until you integrate it, and then it disappears because now you've obviously applied your rules for integration. Right, we have a root this time, we can't integrate a root, so we're still going to have that. We know that a root is a power of a half. Your dx is still there. Increase your power. Half plus 1 is 3 over 2. Divide by 3 over 2. Remember your plus c. Bring that 2 up. Again, fine. If you needed to, use your Indus rules to go back the way. Okay, so again, key is I've not integrated it at that first stage. I put it into a form that I can integrate. Then you apply your rules for integration. Part C. Okay, I'm going to do it in 2 stages this time. So first of all, make that a power of a half. That's a p, nice. And that's why it says dp, because we're integrating with respect to p's. Then I'm going to bring that up and make it negative. Again, I've not integrated it, so I've still got my symbol there. And then now I can integrate it. So increase your power, divide by your new power. Remember your plus c. That 2 is going to come up and give you an 8. I've just eliminated the 1 on the bottom. Done. And then again, if you need to, rid of that. Okay, so a couple of stages this time to get it into the form that you can integrate. Right, fair bit going on here. So neither of these are in the right form. So integral sign is still there. Now the issue is catching out is that, okay, so the half is still a half. Bring that up, make it negative. Now you could have also written that is the same as x to negative 2 over 2 if you want to write it like that as well. It's kind of up to you, it's the same thing. Okay, so now we can integrate it. So we've got a half. I'm going to take this up afterwards, increase my power, divide by my new power. Looks a bit messy, but it's fine. Increase your power, divide by your new power. So tidying this up a bit, the negative I'm going to bring kind of to join that. So just bringing these 2 fractions together, almost multiplying them. Bring that 2 up. Like so. And then if we needed to, we could put it back the way. So that negative power could go under. And then that could become, oh, not 2, 3, plus c. Okay, so you only put it back the way if you need to. Next one, right, we have a fraction this time. Now you'll know this from integration, so we need to split it up. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is put all of these over the denominator. Oh, it says ds, that's a mistake, should be dx. Okay, get them Indus rules, we're dividing, we take away. Again, we're not doing anything to it, so the integral sign's still there. 1, take away that, it's negative 2. Now this one there's nothing to take away, but you'll be saying, oh, I need to make it negative so I can bring it up. Okay, so you're using, we're dividing, we take away where possible, and then obviously that last one, x cubed comes up and becomes negative x cubed. Right, finally we can integrate it, so increase your power, divide by new power, increase your power, divide by new power, increase your power, divide by new power, plus c. Okay, tidy up. 3 over 3 is obviously 1. Watch out here, double negative. That's going to become a plus. And then that plus and a minus is going to become a minus, and the 2's will cancel. Again, fine, however, if necessary, make your negative powers positive. Oops. And that'd be you. Right, final one. So we have brackets. We can't integrate brackets right now. There'll be a point that you can, but right now we can't, so we're going to multiply this out. So remember that's, you could write it k plus 2, squared times by itself, so multiply out. So k squared plus 4k plus 4. Okay, then nice and easy to integrate. Increase your power, and 4 will go to 4k. Remember your plus c. Tidy up always, you need to always look for simplifying. So that first one's fine. That, however, goes to a 2. And then that would just be 4k plus c. And that one, can't do anything with that one. Okay, so really it's about taking your time, getting it out of the form that it's in. So you can't have roots, you can't have brackets, you can't have fractions. Integrate it, and then obviously you put it back if you had to.